Okay, this is the before of how I stored my embossing glazes. The ones that are right side up are the ones that I'm using in my current project, and the other ones are upside down. I store them upside down so that I can figure out what colors they are. And then I have over here a ton of other embossing glazes, and I just bought insert bink, that is a spinning turntable that I'm going to be able to store all my little ones like that directly inside my Kallax unit. So I'm going to get it set up. I'll take a video of that so you can see it before it gets painted or loaded, and then after it gets painted or loaded. It's a Stampin' Storage. I don't know whether it's called a Lazy Susan or a Carousel, but it's very cool. I'm going to be putting that in there and a lot of the other things I have around my office. Okay, it is all put together and glued and dried, and I'm getting ready to go out and spray paint it. Hi, Kitty. It took 15 minutes start to finish with no experience. It was super easy. The directions were great. Okay, I am using Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch paint and primer. You wouldn't have to use a paint and primer. You could just use a primer like Kills or any of those. But I figured I might as well see if I wanted to leave them white. I don't think so. I think I'm going to paint them. But that is a light first coat. All right, I got the first base coat of color on here. And like everything I have ever done, it looks terrible for the first coat. But don't worry, it will look better, and then we'll fill it all up. Still need to do some white accents. And then I can't decide if I want these to be like a white strip that goes down, which I've been thinking about. Might look cute. Or if I want them to be just the two colors button up on each other. So I'm going to have to think that one through. Okay. So I got the Tim Holtz colors on. Love it. And now all I have to do is paint the edges, tidy up the edges. And the next time you see this, we're going to be putting it into the Kallax. Okay, so now we're going to put the first of the, I'm still working on the other ones, but I'm going to put the first of the new Kallax things in, and it's a spinner. So I'm wondering if I could put it here because it's pretty easy to reach the front of it. But the whole point of the spinner is that you can get to parts of it, or I could put it here and really be able to reach everything. That section does kind of work, so I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to put it in, and then we'll load a little bit of it up, and I'll show you what's going on. Okay, it's done. Look at that. Now, the thing that makes me so excited about this is I really used my distress embossing a lot, but a lot of my other embossing powders didn't get used because they were just in a drawer. And now they are out where I can see them, and I'm going to be able to use them, and they'll be handy and accessible, and I really love this. There'll be a link to this unit, and normally it's all white, but I wanted to paint mine all the colors of the rainbow, and then I kind of put my embossing powders in the right colors. Not exactly, but that really made me happy. I want my Kallax to be colorful and bright, not just white and boring. Hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.